We will talk about the Riververse. The SEC lawsuit will be finished in a week or two. Sean McBride claims that he used to work for Ripple. He expects that. I like it. We'll look at it together. We will also hear from the Digital Pound Foundation about their plans for digital money. Is Bitcoin about to fail? Is something big about to happen? Manner of the curve? I have all your answers. Now please, sit down and relax. Let's begin with Bitcoin. Ethereum is currently priced at $3,205, which is a decrease of 3.28% in the last day. The total amount is $101,000 or $880 worth of Ethereum. Right now, XRP is down 3.2% and is slowly falling. They are arriving at a price of $3.07. 5.37% has been lost. Pay attention to the figure $2,083 for the lower goals. Check out those two numbers. We need to keep it above $3.38 at that time. We are right in the middle of each one. The path becomes clear if we pass above $338. The price of XRP will fall to $4. There has been a new record high that is important to the discussions around Scion. Many people believe that XRP hasn't truly broken its all-time high, as reaching $4 would change everything. The total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is 3,520 billion people. I truly think that Bitcoin will rise by the end of January or the beginning of February. Will Bitcoin hit $700,000? BlackRock has shared its opinions. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, suggested in an interview with Bloomberg at the World Economic Forum in Davos that Bitcoin could reach a value of $500,000 or $700,000 for each coin. Larry Fink talked about one of the most optimistic Bitcoin possibilities. He says that while he was at a sovereign wealth fund this week, they talked about the following topic. Should we set aside 2% of our assets? If everyone agrees to that idea, should we all get 5%? Each Bitcoin was valued at about $500,000 to $700,000. He says he isn't pushing it. Just to clarify, it's not my raise. Yes, everyone, it's his rise. If someone says that their promotion isn't valid, it's definitely still their promotion. They are slowly suggesting that you should have some of your own investments in your account. They are slowly starting to invest in Bitcoin, which lets you use the rest of your money to invest in digital markets. It's as simple as bringing people to the community. During this bull market, will Bitcoin hit 500,000, 600,000, or 700,000? No, a new bull cycle cannot happen. You got it. You're exactly right, people. My lock is set at 175 for Bitcoin, which is 225 problems above the highest limit. There might be a big increase up to 300,000. Bitcoin is getting ready to change, but it's not quite the right time yet. That's it. Rock and Larry Stone. Larry, everyone got a 2% or 5% allocation, according to Larry Fink, and everyone adopted. We could see a Bitcoin valued at $700,000. Next, we will show the SEC Crypto Task Force. This is the first sign that this government is ready to work hard and focus on long-term results instead of just short-term political benefits. Listen up, I'm sharing my final thoughts. The Crypto Task Group shows that this government is ready to focus on creating strong regulations instead of just aiming for quick political wins that should last for more than the next 4 years. The task group will be led by SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce. I think she is the best person for the job. She is always involved with the business and offers sensible advice. Over the years, we have had excellent talks with her regarding the kinds of frameworks and clarity that we require. We expect Commissioner Pierce to use what he has learned to create an environment where responsible people can work with officials to develop cryptocurrency and blockchain technology honestly. It's all on the way. They are all about to fall, or you could say it another way, all the dominoes are falling into place. When one person goes, the others start to follow. This is the goal we want to achieve. This is the best possible outcome for cryptocurrency rules. You manage the Bitcoin market to get funding from institutions. The price went up a lot when big investors started buying in. It's simple. Michael, my man, posted this and passed it to me this morning. He says that XRP News is now a successful asset manager and believes that XRP could be the basis for national banking. I'm interested in creating excitement in the neighborhood. I don't understand how banks can stay away from using XRP, especially for international money payments and managing their funds. It's not acceptable that in 2025, banks and financial groups still hold foreign money in inactive bank accounts, waiting for the money transfer from another country in that currency. Now there's an easier way. XRP, everything is done. The hard work is complete. The program has been created. It has been tested in action. Now they just need to set up the tech tools and use the technology. They leave, and for now, his Bitcoin picture looks very good. The Bitcoin chart looks great right now. The situation with Bitcoins is unfolding just as we talked about. This is the next upward movement for our strong outlook over 1 day and 1 month. A positive falling 3 pattern has just occurred. A positive falling 3, what is it? I can help you with that if you're curious. This shows that the current decline is happening now and has reached 89000. People who were looking into bearish strategies or short selling quit about 10 days ago. Now that phase is over, we can start to rise. Once Bitcoin starts to increase significantly, you'll see our starting goals. At that time, I named 115. To get technical, if you merely look at Coinbase's 1-day daily chart of the price of Bitcoin compared to the US dollar, it is currently trading at about $113,500. That's all, everyone. The Pound Foundation is moving online. Do you know what? The UK government is introducing a digital driver's license this year to make public services better and easier to use. A report says that when the UK government wallet starts in 2025, users will be able to securely store their government-issued IDs on their smartphones. This idea aims to make it easier and safer to handle important documents like driver's licenses, birth certificates, and marriage licenses when dealing with government agencies. This piece says that by 2027, having digital identities will be very important for the digital economy and will help people use digital currency. When Sean McBride arrived, he was asked how he feels about the Rebel Verse case. Do you think it will be over soon? He says that the issue should be resolved or dropped by the end of the week. He says he knows that every choice comes with new problems. So I think it will be fixed instead of turned down. Ripple and our companions, Brad and Chris, need to keep some information private about everyone participating. A settlement offers a better answer than just dismissing the case completely. Sean does not have power, but he reached this opinion. This helps protect it from being targeted or taken, while also allowing both sides to find a solution they agree on. Let's kick off 2020 by allowing Ripple to take the lead in the US with new digital ledger technology and a fresh financial industry. Let's introduce cryptocurrency to the United States. Also, every Bitcoin token you have seen is categorized separately. The US economy will be like this, so let's get them enthusiastic.